All right, next question on my Twitter AMA list here is from Robbie Crash on Twitter. Is there a way to get meaningful debug info out of Azure Automation runbooks or DSC compilation that doesn't involve write output every other line? There is a way. I've done this in the past. Unfortunately, I think I know what you're talking about. You have to actually put in the right, add in your code, right output. I'm not gonna. There's a different way you could also use write debug to do for the debug stream if you're actually doing that, or you could turn on debug mode through debug preferences. But that's going to give you a lot of information, but I don't know if it's going to give you the kind of information that you want. But unfortunately, if you are writing a runbook with PowerShell, that's the only way that I've ever done it too. I've used the debug preferences trick, but that depends on if the code that you're running actually does return to the debug stream. If not, I was just kind of casually looking over here to see if there were any other information like that, but unfortunately there's no like global way to capture information. And even if there was, your code could be pretty much anything at that point. So yeah, you have a few different ways. You could do the debug stream. You could do feature flags, maybe, if you wanted to do that. Put in some if then statements, or you could write debugs would work. Just put a bunch of write debugs in there and change the debug preferences to display it sometime or not display it sometime. Create a little flag to do that. But yeah, unfortunately, I think what you're getting at is there's no real good global way to do that, at least as far as I know.